The worst is finally over for the residents of Sonoma County as the Kincade fire is nearing 90% containment. It took 2 weeks for 1,400 firefighters with more than 60 fire trucks on the ground to battle the blaze that scorched 77,000 acres and destroyed more than 370 homes and structures. Now that all the evacuation orders have been lifted, a new reality will begin to settle in for those affected by the wildfires. As majority of evacuees return to their homes safe and unscathed, there are still hundreds who go home to see destruction just like this. Chalk's Bend Vineyard is just one of many damaged properties in Sonoma County, but it was one of the few lucky ones that weren't totally destroyed. According to some residents here in Chalk Hill Road in Helzberg, they had more than 300 homes. As of their latest unofficial count, only 60 survived unharmed. This is just one of them behind me that was burned to the ground. Residents could be seen returning to their properties to assess them, predicting that they probably won't be able to move back until next year. Driving down Chalk Hill Road, most of the vehicles around are those of PG&E, as a utility company work round the clock to bring power back to the area. One could also see the extent of the damage and devastation, as well as numerous burned trees along the roads. The once green and brown hillsides now charred. Authorities are still investigating the cause of the Kincade fire. PG&E did admit to state regulators that one of its 230,000 volt transmission lines had an outage shortly before the fire started. Now a federal judge is demanding that the utility company provide more information and answers surrounding the wildfire, as affected residents try to pick up the pieces and bring back normalcy into their lives. TJ Manotok, ABS-CBN News.